Though it was a beautiful sunny winter day in Banff, but do not let the bright blue sky fool you. The temperature hovered around -2 degrees Celsius, and with the sharp mountain winds cutting through the valley, the cold felt far more intense than the numbers suggested. From early morning, it felt as if every road was leading to Banff Avenue, the venue of the hugely popular 2-day Skijoring Winter Festival. Cars poured in from nearby towns and surrounding areas as visitors and locals alike made their way to the heart of Banff. The energy in the air kept building and excitement was clearly visible everywhere as people eagerly waited for the thrilling 2-hour Skijoring event to begin along the iconic avenue. Skijoring has deep roots in Banff's history, dating back to the early 20th century when it was first introduced as part of winter celebrations and tourism events in the Canadian Rockies. Originally held on frozen lakes and open snowfields, it gradually faded away before being received in modern times. As the event's popularity grew and it began attracting international attention, authorities eventually relocated it to Banff Avenue. The iconic venue offers superior visibility while highlighting Banff's historic downtown, elevating the celebration into a truly world-class winter spectacle. The crowd was enormous, far exceeding what one would normally encounter even on the busiest day in Banff. Thousands of spectators lined both sides of Banff Avenue, standing shoulder to shoulder as excitement filled the air and anticipation built for the event to begin. Visitors of all ages gathered enthusiastically. Children and youngsters swept up in the festive spirit, danced freely, even in the middle of the road, turning the avenue into a lively celebration rather than just a viewing space. One of the best viewing spots was right here in front of Banff Community High School. From this vantage point, spectators had a clear, uninterrupted view of the racers as they thundered past at full speed. Everyone was bundled up in heavy winter clothing, thick jackets, insulated pants, woolen caps, gloves, scarves, and face coverings, doing everything possible to stay warm while standing outdoors in the biting cold. At the starting point, all the participants had gathered and prepared for the event. Some were mounted on powerful horses, while others stood ready on their skis, known as Skijoring skis, equipped with tow ropes, helmets, and protective gear designed for speed and balance. One by one, the performances began. Each ran with time, perfectly maintaining a steady rhythm throughout the event. Horse and skiers moved as a single unit, racing down Banff Avenue, navigating jumps, turns, and obstacles with remarkable precision. Once the show concluded, the participants returned on foot along Banff Avenue. They were greeted with warm applause, smiling faces, waving hands, and loud cheers, a heartfelt thank you from the crowd for an unforgettable display of skill and courage. From the starting line to the finish, the energy was electric. Spectators on both sides of the road cheered continuously, clapping, shouting, and waving as each team sped past, creating an atmosphere that felt more like a festive than a competition. Thank you very much for watching this video and being part of our journey through Banff's unforgettable winter spectacle. If you enjoyed the experience, please do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel Ultimate Images, and share it with your fellow travel and adventure enthusiasts. Your support encourages us to bring you more stories from extraordinary destinations around the world.